Hey everybody, I'm Dan with the Managed Services team here at Planet Technologies, and I'm here to bring you this week's Play of the Week. One of the most important things you can do in an enterprise Microsoft 365 tenant is to secure your internal data with data loss prevention policies. These policies, however, can involve complex rules and often need to be tailored to specific conditions. Up till now, if you needed to create a duplicate of an existing DLP policy, you'd have to create it from scratch. Now, however, you can copy existing DLP policies and duplicate them, making the small tweaks and adjustments necessary without having to start from scratch. This feature began rolling out to all worldwide commercial tenants in June of this year, but we expect it won't be long until this feature makes its way to GCC and GCCH as well. That's all for this week's Play of the Week. Be sure to tune in next week for more info. Thanks and have a great day, everybody.